Tautvydas, Microsoft evangelist.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, Silicon Valley, which came here to Baltics. Yeah, I'm really pleased to be here, and today I wanted to share with you the whole things we have in Microsoft, which we are targeting for students and for startups. Because there are lots of opportunities you can take and use them and boost up your business or your career. So I'm Tautvydas from Microsoft Baltics. I'm technical evangelist, so I'm talking with the technical audiences, developers, and startups. So let's do a quick demographic study. I guess you are a bit sleeping already. So who are here students? Yay. And startups? Startups, some startups, yeah. Okay, cool. So, okay, let's start with the one initial question. So, Silicon Valley came here, and you probably know that Silicon Valley is the center of all IT companies and all new businesses and so on. Microsoft also has an office there, but the central headquarters of Microsoft is a bit in different location, on the same coast, but different city. Who knows in which city it is? Please raise your hands. Nope, not Portland. Do you hear Redmond? Redmond, yes. We have a small present for you. Yep. So, probably you already feel and you know that this year is really huge for Microsoft. We're releasing so many new products. We haven't done that before. We even changed our image, our logo, and so on. And of course, these new changes are not also for us, but there is a huge opportunity for startups and students and new businesses. Yeah, first big thing for Microsoft is Windows 8. Probably you already heard about that. It's new operating system, which will be working on new different devices on the tablets, hybrids, all-in-ones with the touch enabled. It also will be upgradable on all your old PCs. And of course, there is huge developer opportunity because Windows 8 is coming with an integrated store where developers can sell their apps, publish their free apps with the ad-funded models, and consumers from the whole world. It's almost all worldwide countries where consumers can buy your apps. So it's really huge worldwide opportunity. Of course, the first question is always, so how you're doing? So, I still don't have any official data. Probably the first official data was shared during the Build conference when Steve Ballmer did a demo for all developers, and he shared that over 4 days after the launch, there were like 4 million upgrades for old PCs. And we have some third-party data, which is very interesting. The first graph is from AdDuplex, which is very cool startup coming here from Lithuania. And it serves for Windows Phone and Windows 8 developers. And it provides ad exchange network. So developers can exchange advertisements of each of other apps. And here are impressions from Windows 8 applications, so how people are using apps and how much they're opening and seeing advertisement in Windows 8 applications. And the main milestone is here, 26th of October when Windows 8 was launched. The same is one developer shared just stats of downloads of his game, card game Chest. Very simple thing, and again, after 26, everything is just exploding. So in Silicon Valley, this thing is called hockey stick effect. Am I right? And yeah, so usually investors really looking into such situation when they want to invest somewhere. So think about huge market opportunity. Next thing is Windows Phone, and just a few weeks ago, we launched Windows Phone 8. Operating system with lots of new cool devices from our partners, Nokia, Samsung, HTC, and more coming. Of course, there are new opportunities for developers with wallet, NFC, and all many different features. But there is one very important thing. There's huge opportunity for Windows Phone developers, actually for any developers. If you want to start and build something, so you can try to do first on Windows Phone platform, because there is time when we and Nokia were giving away big grants of 20, 50, or 70,000 euros just for Windows Phone application. This program is called Up Campus. It's based in Finland, but everybody can apply. So there is big fund which will last for three years, and there is already at least one developer team from Lithuania selected. I know there's one team from Latvia selected, and many more in application period. So there is really huge opportunity and big money laying there in Finland, so just go and grab them. Okay, next thing, of course, everybody, when you are building some apps, you need some backends. So we have so-called Windows Azure Cloud Platform, which you can just take and use for your big applications, or you just need some push notifications for your mobile services. And there is always question, yeah, Microsoft, you just run your own technologies. No, actually, Windows Azure is fully multi-platform system, and it supports on Windows, Linux, .NET, PHP, Java, Node.js, and all other stuff. So you can really stick on your technologies you use, and you can go for Windows Azure, where we have lots of offers for startups. So you can get many resources totally for free. So what we have specifically for startups? For startups, we have so-called BizSpark program. Who knows BizSpark program? Yay, that's cool. Yep, so BizSpark program, we put everything we have, and we are just giving away for the young businesses, so you can start easily. And we also provide lots of support globally and locally for you just to be successful on our platform. So we are giving away software, anything you need for your production, for your development, and so on. We are giving support, and we are trying to help you with the visibility locally or globally if you need that. So website is simple, bizspark.com. Application is free. Just go and apply for that. And yeah, so I spoke about Windows Azure. Through BizSpark program, you can get $3,700 Windows Azure resources per year, just being a startup, to run your application or something. So you don't need to care about hosting or anything. Just go and take Windows Azure through BizSpark. And one more thing, in BizSpark, we have Windows Phone and Windows 8 developer accounts for free included into program. So you can do your next generation apps, startups, and so on, and start totally free. So, students, you are majority here. So, what we have for students? Do you know that you can get our software, like Windows, Visual Studios, and so on, for free, just being an IT student in IT faculty? Have you heard that? Yeah. So, it's called DreamSpark program. Dreamspark.com. If you don't find your faculty there, just go and pitch your professors to enroll for a DreamSpark program to get all this stuff into your hands. And again, for students, we also have free developer accounts for Windows Phone and Windows 8. One more thing. Again, you need to start. You can get software, everything. How you can train yourself, how you can practice. Have you heard about the biggest IT competition for students? Who knows the name? Imagine Cup, somewhere over there. Prize goes there. Okay, Imagine Cup. Yes, Imagine Cup. That's a really big thing. It's a worldwide competition. You can compete in different categories, like you can create game, you can create something totally innovative, with the Kinect, other technologies you want. You can solve some toughest world problem through World Citizenship Program, or you can just compete in some technological challenges like app for Windows 8, app for Windows Phone, or Windows Azure. Of course, there are lots of prizes in cash. There are lots of gadgets guys are getting when they are going to finals. And everybody who are qualifying to finals, we are transporting them there. So last year it was in Sydney, Australia, and one Lithuanian team were competing in finals. Yay. Maybe we have them here? No? No, they are busy preparing for a startup weekend. So, and of course there are lots of energy during the finals. There are lots of new contacts, business opportunities. There are possibility to get grants for your business startup after Imagine Cup. So again, imaginecup.com, you can register and you can participate in competition with your team. And today, later today at 3 p.m., I'm doing a workshop about Imagine Cup, so we will dig deeper into the program, into the opportunities we have in a workshop zone. So just you can register at workshop table and we can discuss it deeper. And please roll the video. Yay. We have sound. Yep, so that was my final words, and thank you very much for your attention. And let's meet you at 3 p.m. in workshops, or while passing by, you can join to Microsoft booth with the Kinect and so on, and our guys will tell you more about all these things. Thank you.